Hello scrappers, long time no see. Yeah, not getting many videos out here lately. Not picking up a lot of scrap. Did get a call today and went out and picked up a little bit. I got a call a few days ago about picking up a that's going to be more than a load. It's going to be several loads, 3 or 4 probably. I don't remember what all the guy said he had, but he said he had a gooseneck trailer. He just bought some property and there's some stuff on it he wants hauled off of it. Gooseneck trailer, an old Ford tractor. So that'd be kind of interesting. But like again, got rain every couple days, so about the time you think you can go do something, rain comes in again and gets the ground wet and muddy. So just kind of waiting for things to dry out a little bit. But this tornado season just about over. Of course, here we got tornadoes coming in, or got storms coming in. They're on their way now. They're coming into Oklahoma, crossing over the Red River. So, headed our way. So we'll see what happens today. May end up in the cellar. But I've been working on different stuff around here. Got a couple pieces on the trailer. It's been empty a month and a half, 2 months. Been a while. You know, got one bin over there that's full of shred. And I've got a good start on this one, about half full. But I usually just wait till I get a lot of stuff on the trailer, then I'll take these over and throw it in all the holes. So, thought I'd give you a little update. Of course, this is Saturday, Memorial Weekend. So a lot of people out at the lake, out having fun, so not getting many calls. Supposed to have a guy come today to pick up a farm gate, 20-footer. I got it priced at $150. Those things are $300 new now. Those things are way up. So, but I don't know. I don't think he's going to show up. He messaged me a couple days ago about it, and I told him come on over. He said, "Well, how about Saturday?" I said, "Okay, that'll work." But yeah, here it is. Almost 4:30 in the afternoon now. They say these storms are supposed to be kind of in the area, Oklahoma City area, which is about where I'm at, between 6 and 8. So, yeah. Won't be too much longer. Cans are starting to fill up. So. Ordered a box of pig mats for when I tear a bunch of these motors down to soak up a lot of the oil off the workbench. That came in the other day. My one bucket's getting full of screws and small stuff, so I need to get the wire in and tore out of one of these wash machines and get it on there. Check and make sure it doesn't have the copper motors. I'm really surprised to see copper up so high. Yeah, I'm glad to see it up. And hopefully it'll keep climbing. Watching Tom on iScrap app, he's talking about the demand for copper is growing. They got a bunch of copper mines that they're working on getting opened up, but they're not going to get them opened up soon enough. Kind of like oil wells, to bring the price of oil down, it's going to take a while to get them online and opened up. But got to get Trump in there first before they're even going to be allowed to start drilling. So, get that pipeline finished. Maybe that'll get a bunch of oil in here, and we can start seeing cheaper gas prices again. But I don't want to get into politics, but politics do affect our life on a daily basis. It tells us what we can and can't have, and it fluctuates the prices on groceries, gas, a lot of other things. So, can't live with it and can't live without it, One of those things, probably live without it. We've got to live with it. Don't have much choice. But can we do anything? Nah, not much. Yeah, it's kind of staying busy, but it's getting hot and humid. I was out here tearing some stuff down earlier, nothing video worthy. But man, out here for maybe an hour and I was soaked. So I went in for about an hour or so, cooled off, dried off. So thought I'd come out now and show you what I brought in, do a quick video, and then get it offloaded. Put it over here somewhere. Yeah, that rain gutter's aluminum, so I'll put it over my aluminum rain gutter pile. One of these days I'll go through it and check for ferrous metal, check it all out with a magnet, and go from there. The guy said that stove works, something oven problems, something to do with the electronic board or something in there. So yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. We got a good stove we bought a couple of years ago, so I'm good on that. So I'm not sure how much longer this old Colorado is going to hang in there though. It's got like 306,000 miles on it. Trying to keep it going. But I thought I'd give you guys an update what I'm up to. I'm still alive, still kicking. Of course, knee's still hurting some. So I kind of limit my time on it each day. But try not to work too hard. I'm retired, you know. Garden's coming out good. I guess I could walk over there. And some of the guys wanted me to keep them updated on the garden. So I had to add some dirt to one of the stock tanks today, where I have the Jerusalem artichokes. They kept drying out and wilting down even a day after I watered them. So I think it was last Saturday I put some okra seed in between. I need to get in there and do some weeding on that. But weeding on everything. Getting a lot of blossoms. Got a little tomato right there. And a tomato right there. Looks like these might need a little water, but I don't know if I want to water right now. We got that storm coming. This thing's got a bunch of little tomatoes right here and a bunch here, and this is not a cherry tomato. There's tomatoes there, so and then look at all the blossoms. It's not supposed to be a cherry tomato anyway. And then this one is just like a little bush, a shrub. It's not getting very tall at all, but man, is it bushy. And that one's not doing a whole lot. It's got some blossoms on it. The cucumbers are doing good. Trying to get them trained where they're going to climb. And then this tank's doing good on the sunchokes, Jerusalem artichokes, but this is the one that keeps kind of wilting down. It looks pretty good right now. What I did, I had piled up a bunch of dirt down here. This is kind of the low end, so the water would run down here. And that's the problem, I think, right there is that big hole in the tank. So a lot of the water was just leaking out, so I tried to build it up here on this edge. I may have to build it up some more. But seems to be working for right now. I watered it down good yesterday. Now this tomato plant here, yeah, I got a nice big tomato down there. A couple little ones down in there too, so we're gonna have some tomatoes here pretty soon. I'm kind of excited. My tomatoes didn't do so good last year. I think I got them in too late, and so by the time they started putting on any blossoms, it was too hot. And once it gets over like 90 or so, it gets too hot, and then you get blossom drop, so it never sets fruit. So then you gotta keep the plants alive and keep watering until September or so, when things start cooling off, and then they'll start, you know, setting on fruit. Yeah, I see a few tomatoes down in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So yeah, we're getting some. Need to get them good and soaked and get in there and do some weeding. Kind of slacking on that. But I figure by the end of the month I should start seeing those other okras coming up. Need to get in there and get a lot of this grass pulled out of there. Got my barrel pile ready to go. I think I got one barrel that's still got chemical in it, so I didn't cut the top out of it. Now I got 2 in the shop. But pretty much I got 16 on the trailer out in the field. I got all these. There's 2 rows there, plus the ones down on the ground. And then I got the ones out there in my sale pile. Had a guy come by today and buy one. So, and I think day before yesterday had sold like 6 of them, so about 60 bucks. That was a good day. So I've been staying busy there with the barrels. I need to go pick some more up. There's Princess looking at me. She's the big puppy, big overgrown. She's a lot of fun. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? You my girl? You my girl? What? Yeah, you my girl. You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk? You gonna talk to me? No? Now she's gonna run around. Yeah, you're a good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah. She loves playing with the water, the garden hose. Haven't done anything with this old John boat. Leaving it up on the side, trying to see if it'll, some of that waterlogged styrofoam will dry out, make it a little lighter. I need to run up, load it up in the truck and run up to my stepbrother's, take it up there to him. He's got a pond up there on his property, so I think he's got 15 acres, and that pond runs right through the middle of it. So he's built him a new dock, so storm's getting closer. I can feel that humidity. Anyway, I'm going to get off of here and maybe get back under the AC. Just too humid out here. It's like 88 right now, but humidity is up there. So I'm going to get off here, get this stuff unloaded, and then get back in the house. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you're bringing in lots of scrap, making money. But I hear tin has gone down, so you might give me some prices there, what it is around your part of the country. Mention where you're at. Might give me what, post in your comments what state you're in, what the tin is bringing, what copper is bringing. People kind of compare the prices around the country just off the comments. So you guys take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping.